So at this point, with our 45-degree line in place, we're going to use the intersection between our projection line and our 45-degree line, both there and there, to give us positioning of our view over here. Now I know some of you are going to ask right away, well, where do I need to draw this 45-degree line from? It doesn't matter. You can start it there, you could start it there, you could start it there, you could start it there. It does not matter as long as it's somewhere in this area. So I'm going to now draw projection lines from where these lines meet each other. So there's one point that I draw projection from. Where the projection line meets the 45-degree line, I drop a line straight down. And here's the other point right here. Where they meet, I'm going to drop a line straight down. And again, these are projection lines, so they're nice and light. You should be able to see a clear difference between my object lines that are dark and my projection lines that are light. So now that I have my top and bottom, I have my front and back, I'm going to fill those lines in. Nice and dark because this is now our object. Okay, so there we have an orthographic projection of our wooden block. Front, top, right side views. Now the two types of lines I talked about here, solid dark lines represent object features or dimensions you can see, and then really light lines represent projection lines that are not part of the object, they're simply transferring information from one view to the other. Now there is a third type of line that we are going to use eventually when we get into objects 2, 3, and 4, and that is a dotted or dashed line, and that's going to represent hidden features. Features that are on the object but can't be seen from a specific view. And I'm going to put out another video shortly to show you how to draw this same object with hidden features. So we have solid lines that represent the object. We have really light lines that represent projection lines. And we have dotted lines that represent hidden features. Now, you don't need to put this on your drawing, you just need to understand those different line types, but what you do need to add to your drawing is some information that is called or referred to as a title block. What is this drawing? Well, I need to put a title on it. This is an orthographic projection. Now we are going to do 4 different blocks during this unit. So this is block number 1. This is done by Mr. Kempton. So the title of the drawing, your name, and today's date. And today is May 24th, 2020. So a completed drawing will have your front, top, and right side views with the proper type of line representing the object. It will have projection lines and a 45-degree projection line to allow you to transfer information from the top view accurately to the right side view. You don't need to label your views. I'm going to label them right now, but you don't need to. Front, top, and right side. So if you have all of that information accurately drawn with your title block, you will get a perfect score. So what I'm going to do is give you over the next few days a few more videos. I'm going to show you in the introductory video 3-dimensional images of the 4 different blocks that you're going to have to draw. If you want to try them and practice them before I actually show you the instructional videos, that would be great. Take the techniques that I've shown you here, apply them to blocks 2, 3, and 4, and try and complete them. And then when I show you how to do it properly with the instructional video, you can make any adjustments you need to make. All right, thank you very much. More instruction will follow. Good luck. This is now our 2nd distance learning unit. We are not going to need computers for this one at all, so it's going to be a little bit more relaxing. Right now, I'm sitting outside on my deck enjoying the sunshine, so you can certainly do the same thing. Put your computer away, get outside, enjoy the sun, and do some work at the same time. All right, thank you very much. Object number 1. Front view. Top view. right side view. Object number 1, see-through. Front view. Top view. Right side view. Object number 1. Object number 2. Front view. Top view. Right side view. Object number 2, see-through. Front view. Top view. Right side view. Object number 2. Object number 3. Front view. Top view. Right side view. Object number 3, see-through. Front view. Top view. Right side view. Note on object number 3, there is a groove that runs all the way along the length of the bottom of the object. Object number 3. Object number 4. Front view. Top view. Note the hole that goes all the way through the object from top to bottom. Right side view. Object number 4, see-through. Front view. Again, note the hole that goes all the way through the object. Top view. Right side view. Object number 4.